right, my friend, I'm gonna show you something that's really gonna surprise and disgust you. If you have a garbage disposal or in your sink in general, or you know those little holes in your sink that house a lot of bacteria, still water, and stink, you can do this on there as well. Okay, underneath this flap, can you, oh gosh, let's see if the camera will pick it up. Do you see? Do you see this is just one segment? I should have gloves on, I really should. So I'm gonna show you a super easy trick to get this up, make it smell amazing. Oh yeah, look in there. So if it's just this one spot, can you imagine what it looks like all the way around the rim? So you clean your sink and you think, man, my job is done. I did amazing. So I'm gonna save you a ton of time. So just get yourself an old cleaning toothbrush. And then here's what I like to do. I do like to put a little down the drain here for good measure. Look at the front, look at this. Yep, that's why it works so well. Then I'm just gonna pour a little bit here in the corner, and I'm going to use my toothbrush. I mean, I could get a bowl, but why do that? Let's just work smarter rather than harder. And you're gonna wanna use two hands, I got one in the camera, to lift this up and clean underneath. Let's see if we can pick up some of that stuff that I can just like show you. Oh, do you see that? Just from like 2 seconds underneath there. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, that looks so nasty, like boogers or something. I got an idea. It's gonna be disgusting, but it's really gonna be satisfying. Hold 1 second. And I'm gonna put on some gloves for this one. I hate garbage disposals, by the way. I absolutely hate. Look what else I found down there, a rubber band. But yeah, that's just from a couple minutes of digging down in there. And then once you're all done, you wanna make sure that you run some hot water down in here. You don't need to put anything else in here like essential oils or lemon or vinegar or baking soda. This will do the trick in and of itself. If you love additional cleaning and life hacks, click the video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you, my friend, in the next one.